Okay, so good afternoon, everybody, wherever you might be watching this, and hello to the subscribers on the VWAP report. So, as we have all now come out of our chocolate-induced comas and Easter and the mayhem of all that, we're coming back to a market that really not much has changed between now and Thursday when the markets closed up for Easter, but I just wanted to go around the houses here because essentially yesterday was quite indicative of the real sentiment here. We were down about 3% on the SPOOs yesterday, the S&P 500. So I just wanted to go round the clock here, starting with the euro and then work my way around to bonds and noting everything that is pretty interesting here. But the theme for me is that people are exiting America. People are exiting US exceptionalism. You've all heard a bit about that. I mean, $5 trillion above the dip. But the 3% pullback yesterday is really going to call these people back in and say, "Hey, are you willing to re-up on that dip? Should we threaten the lows?" For me, technically, I see a reason why we should press lower than yesterday's lows. Today, obviously, we've had some pretty positive earnings out of a couple of constituent companies. However, the main thing we need to be aware of is that Tesla earnings are coming overnight. And you know what? I just don't think they're going to be good. Tesla going down 10% post earnings or whatever. Is that enough to drag the rest of the market with it? I don't know if you could have a really bad fall out of bed. If Tesla goes down 10% on the post, in the aftermarket tonight, but let's see. But I think we're in a little bit of a pullback, but we'll talk about equities when we get there. So, with the dollar dropping off the face of an Easter cliff yesterday, it was just on the bounce a little bit here today. We're up 0.2 on Dixie in the pre-market here. Going to be opening about 27 minutes on US equities. So, with that, the euro has been on the make here in the background. You're looking at a quarterly context here and a VWAP. And so you see, the euro really, really good couple of months here, to be honest. And so, again, like we had about 5 sessions ago, we're just, taking a little bit of a breather